Good afternoon. So today, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the screen I wanted on. Good afternoon, kids. So today, we're going to talk about what is going to be required of you for today. So if you'll notice, you're in your Google Classroom, and in classwork, you will see that you have a thing that's called Find the Answers. So when you click on Find the Answers, this isn't what I want to talk about either. Good afternoon, kids. So today we're going to talk about what we need to accomplish today. There are just two things that we need to do today, and you need to make sure that you get those two things done. The first thing that we're going to be working on is using our keyword searching skills. So in your Google Classroom, under classwork, you'll see that you have Find the Answers. So if you click on that, you'll see that you have a Find the Answers document. This is where you are going to actually go and find the answers to these questions. And once you have the answers, you're going to type them right here in the beige box right there. Okay? There are a couple of ways you can do this. You can have two tabs open, so you can have a Google search tab open over here where you type in what you're looking for and then you go back to your Find Your Answer keyword. Or you can use tab resize, and that is up in the corner of your search things up in your Chrome, and you can click on tab resize and it will ask you how do you want it to be aligned. Do you want them side by side, upside or up and down, whatever. So you get to choose which way you would like it. Okay, so you can do it two different ways, but you are going to go to Google and find the answers. All right, so you're going to find the answers to all these questions. I know it looks like a lot, but I know you guys can do this. Once you have that done and you hit turn in over here, okay, then you're going to go watch the Ruffman Say Cheese How Ads Works. And this is going to tell you how the internet uses ads and how ads are they're tailored to what we see. So not everybody usually sees the same ads sometimes. Okay, so you're going to watch the Ruffman. He's got a couple of questions at the end. All right, when you get that done, you may have some free time. Okay, so you have two things to do today. You got to find the answers, and then you also have to go watch the Ruffman How Say Cheese How Ads Work on the internet. All right, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask the sub, and I will see you guys next week.